If you're a professional, you hate cooking or you don't have time cooking, you don't mind cooking, but you hate cleaning. If you're under that bucket, you want to go on YouTube and type in no cook meals. And you'll see a lot of these different ideas on meals that you can get where rather than cooking anything, it already comes cooked for you and you're just assembling. If you're just assembling, now that's dummy proof. And I am so busy in my life where I don't, right now, I don't have time to spend 40 minutes cooking every night. And you could say, well, what about meal prepping, Armani? Why don't you do that? I get meal prepping, but just the way that my taste buds work, I'll meal prep a lot of stuff on Sunday. But by Tuesday, Wednesday, I'm just thinking, man, I really don't want to be chained to that meal prepped food. It's good, but right now, today, I'm feeling something else. So I like that freedom. So meal prepping is a little tough. I can't cook every single day. So I've been doing this thing called no cook meals where I'll get uh, these different items like grilled chicken from Tyson. Everything's already cooked. The entire bag has 150 grams of protein. So I'll eat that whole bag plus some pasta, the vegetable pasta that's already cooked for me. That also has 20 grams of protein. The entire meal is 1700, 1800 calories, 180 grams of protein, has a bunch of fiber. Boom, I'm done. I didn't spend so long just cooking, seeing the little oil spatter all over my kitchen. Now, after I'm done cooking, I need to wipe my floors, wipe the stove. I need to clean my dishes. I don't have to do all that. Another hack I can give you is get paper or plastic uh, plates, or what's it called? Paper plates. Get that. Get plastic utensils. And once again, the nerds, they're going to come to me. Armani, you're really using plastic utensils? Yep. It's easy. The easier it is, the better. And then once I get my meal, I'll just eat it and throw it in the trash. Or just get a glass plate. I mean, that part's not a big deal. But I'm so lazy nowadays where if I have to air fry something and microwave something, that could be an issue where I would prefer that I put everything in the air fryer or everything in the microwave. I don't want to engage both things. And nowadays, I prefer the microwave a little bit more because with the microwave, I don't have to clean as much. Where with the air fryer, after I'm done using it, I have to clean it. It only takes one time for your finger to get a little burnt when you're trying to clean the air fryer for you to have this negative connotation towards the air fryer. I still use the air fryer, but it's just these small little things where you just want to keep eliminating the clunks and you want to make it easy for yourself. So it's called no cook meals. You're not cooking, you're just assembling.